Hi friends, today we are going to make a unique tasty chicken pakoda. Boneless Lacha Chicken Pakoda. It's a North Indian chicken recipe. Potato is one of the important ingredients in this tasty boneless Lacha Chicken Pakoda. Let's move to the video. To marinate chicken in a bowl, take 300 grams boneless chicken. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 3 tablespoon basin flour, 2 tablespoon water. Mix it well. Chicken should be coated well. Keep aside for 30 minutes. Now we can make the potato lacha mix. In a bowl, take 800 grams of thin sliced potato. Potato should be in dry form. Two teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1.5 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 6 tablespoon all-purpose flour, now add half cup of corn flour, mix it well. Keep aside for 10 minutes. Now take 4 tablespoon oil in a pan, heat it. Now take 1 tablespoon quantity potato mix in hand. Then add 1 piece of marinated chicken piece. Again take 1 tablespoon quantity potato mix and cover the chicken. Now place this into the pan for frying one by one. Don't stir for first 1 minute. Flip the pakodas in between. Then deep fry for 8 to 10 minutes. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Fry all the pieces of marinated chicken in the same way. Our crispy boneless lacha chicken pakoda is ready. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.